Cool.
I didn't even think about it.
So the Earth is flat.
So the Earth is flat. Planet Earth is flat.
Plain Earth. Plain.
Huh?
Not planet. Cut off the T. It's plain Earth.
It's plain Earth. Okay. It's plain Earth.
How come? It's not round.
No. From the plane they made the planet.
It comes from the word plane,
Plain, which means
flat.
flat or
Flat.
flat or
Yeah.
yeah.
For example, if we trust our senses, right? We look around. Is anything moving? Not even my hair. Right? And we are supposed to be spinning at 1800 miles per second. So, do I trust my senses or do I trust, the professors at Harvard and Oxford or NASA? So, in a way, the whole conspiracy is to make us believe and not trust ourselves and our own senses and listen to these authority figures or wherever it's coming from, that what we tell you is the truth. And what if you don't believe it, that's your problem. You'll be ridiculed, mocked, whatever. There are many instruments. So anyway, the point is that the Earth is flat and the South Pole doesn't exist. Yeah. So the ocean is surrounded by a wall of ice, which keeps all the water in.
So you've got Earth, like Earth, then you got water, and then you got ice. So it's like rings. Would you say they're like rings? The water and ice? So how, if we look at it,
Yeah. So the ice, what is supposed to be Antarctica, is like a very high wall. Very
Yeah.
high, as in maybe a mile high. Okay? That's keeping the ocean in. Like we have this side, the beaches. If you think, okay, the water level is somehow on the beach level, but yeah, that's what I'm saying. So if you think on the other side, instead of the beach, if we have this wall and this water level is there, like a well. So land is here. You see, if you spread the ball, actually, the warp is because of the hemisphere. It's not even, So anyway, the disk is. So Brazil will be exactly opposite India, like that way. If you're flying north, flat. So cross north, get to Brazil. But instead, they're just spinning us. So if one has to go to Brazil, you have to go from India to United States to Brazil. Yeah? The shortest route would be through the South Pole, which we're not allowed to fly. Yeah?
aren't there like magnetic fields, or I'm not really sure, but since you're the expert now.
Yeah, but that works, So there's a spin on everything. So this is a cover up so huge that the magnetic field can be flat as well. If we hold a square magnet, that's creating magnetic field like that around it. So if it's a flat Earth, we can have a magnetic field that goes like a rainbow around. It doesn't need to be a ball for us to have a magnetic field.
Okay.
Yeah. So that takes care of it.
Okay. So what about beyond the ice? So what's beyond the ice? If there's an ice wall, what's beyond the ice?
That we don't know yet. That's
That we don't know.
yeah. So that's the exploration. If all of us start believing in this, and then we demand an exploration, and it's all we need. We have flying machines called planes, right? So all we need is sanction of the authority for us to go beyond and see what is there on the other side.
Like going to Antarctica.
Yeah, the main proof is I'm saying, okay, let somebody fly from New Zealand to Argentina via the South Pole. Yeah. So then that person can check it out.
Okay.
Anything else?
That's pretty good.
That's pretty good. Is there anything you'd like to add to what you have said already? Which
Well,
May-
all I'd say is let's start believing in ourselves and in our own senses, and that's where the self-confidence should start from, or the self-belief. Because what if I don't, if what I am perceiving is not right, you know, then nothing must be right. So, so I would like to request everyone, I mean, the viewers, whoever, sorry, whoever's watching, to open your eyes and test it out for yourself. There are scientific theories, everything. I'm not going to, like, the what is it called? The burden of proof is on you, not on me. Thanks. Namaste.